Hey, I'm David with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we're showing you a cool product. It's not really new, but it's a product that we use a lot, more now than ever. And the reason why is because more and more people are streaming apps from their TVs. So when you stream apps from your TVs, you have to think about how are you going to get the audio from the TV to your nice speakers, whether they're in the ceiling, whether the bookshelves in the cabinets or whatever. But anyway, so we want to figure out how we get that audio. Well, if you looked at some of our previous videos, we do a lot of Cat 5, Cat 6, mostly all Cat 6 now, running to all the locations. So with that Cat 6, we use a product from Zigen. And what this product does, this gives us the ability with a Cat 6, Cat 5 cable running from where the equipment is at to the TV to get the audio from the television to our equipment to play on our speakers. So we'll kind of do a little unboxing, I guess, for you guys. And in the box, we have one that goes on each end. So you have a transmitter and receiver. So you have to kind of think opposite a little bit on this. Power supply. We got 1/8" mini to analog cable here, but you're transmitting from the TV location to the equipment, which is receiving it. And so how this works is, so you have, your Cat 5, your Cat 6, and it runs from your equipment to your television. So like I said, if you look at all of our pre-wires, we run a lot of Cat 6 going to the TV. And this is one of the reasons why. So if somebody decides, hey, I want the audio from the TV. So if you have, let's say, an off-air antenna, and you want that audio on the speakers versus the TV speakers, or you want all the streaming apps that's built into the TV, you want those on the audio system as well. So this is the way to do that. So using the existing Cat 5 or Cat 6 that was hopefully ran from the equipment to the TV location, it's going to connect into the transmitter, which would be behind the TV, and then to the receiver, which is going to be where your equipment is at. Now, the back of your TV, most likely, if it's a fairly new TV, over the last several years actually, will have a digital out, and most likely it'll be an optical cable. And so this will plug into the back of your TV, and this then goes into this box. So it's now going to send the audio out of the TV into the transmit box, which is going to go through this long Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable that you've got going back to your equipment. And then out of this, you have the options of staying optical, or coax digital, or analog. So you pick whichever one you're going to use. In this case, we're going to say analog. And so we'll put analog RCAs, hook this into our amplifier, receiver, and of course, you have a power supply that's going to be at the transmit side. So it's going to plug in the back of this here, screws in. So it's a nice thing I like about these screw-ins is it's not going to come unplugged accidentally when it's in your rack or cabinet, and then plug that in for power. And that's really it. So this is a nice, clean, easy way to get audio from the TV for all your streaming apps back to the equipment location. So there are reasons why we run as many cables as we do, because there's tons of solutions out there, and you just never know down the road what you're going to use. Whether it's you're using that Cat 6 for Ethernet, you need an audio return out of the TV. So anyway, just want to show you guys one quick solution, or one solution we use a lot here at Great Choice. So remember us on your next remodel or pre-wire or new construction build. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.